Okay guys, so now I'm at the TRX Food Exchange. Today is the 13th of January 2004. When I first came here, when it was first launched on the 29th of November, first day of opening, and there was not much stores open. So after a month plus a bit, let's see what they offer today. You can see the food court is full of people. So it's a lot of people today. Today is a Saturday. Okay, this Nasi Kandar was already here on the first day of opening. Nasi Kandar. So Nasi Kandar as usual. Okay, this is their offering. You can see the prices. It's like white rice, nasi biryani. Okay, you got nasi biryani 5 ringgit, white rice 250. Chicken curry, I don't really see. It's 850. Fish curry 9 ringgit. They got vegetable, right? One piece of ladies fingers 1 ringgit. So these are prices lah. Okay. This was already open. First day. So you have Nasi Kandar value set 1650. And on the first day also, this Yong Tau Foo was already open on the first day. Okay. I don't know if you can see or not. Let me zoom in. So it's like the Yong Tau Foo, one piece small is 160 to 270. The medium green color 320 to 370. Large is 430 to 530. So it follows the color tag. Okay, this is what's available. So you have this yellow 160 to 270. Green is 320 to 370. Red 430 to 530. Blue color is 580 to 640. So this is how they count. Right. So this is what they have. All the vegetable. There's a lot of choice here. These are the Yong Tau Foo selections. Okay. Seems like from what I see, most of the stores are already open. So this is a Western. Western, you have spaghetti. Spaghetti Napolitan is 11.90. Chicken Bolognese 13.90. So okay, Western. Oh, okay. These two is still not open. Char Teow. Okay, this is Char Teow. I think this one also wasn't open on the first day. So this is a Char Teow. Looks nice. We got Penang Rojak also. Got Lobak also. Okay, Penang Char Teow. One is 16 ringgit and 50 cents. Okay, the asam rasa also 13.80. Okay. This one also wasn't open on the first day, so it is newly open. This is chili Pan Mee. Nasi Pan Mee, so it's 12.90, 13.90 around there. Okay, this one is pepper rice was already open on the first day. Okay, pepper rice. Pepper rice already open on the first day. This is a hot plates. Hot plates. Yeah, I think this one also open on the first day also. So I have a mushroom mee, so 12.90, mushroom sauce, black pepper sauce 13.90. Okay, chicken mushroom mee, so 14.90. It's okay. So this is hot plates. Okay, mee tarik also is a new one. Mee tarik. Oh, this Oriental ramen. Mee tarik. This is also new. This is the menu. Okay. Okay, this one is pork. Yan Wo Thai. Thai food. Yeah, pad Thai, pad Rapao, pad Kapi. Okay, Thai food. And this is Japanese. Japanese, so it's like they have all this curry rice, omelette curry rice 17 ringgit, chicken katsu rice 15 ringgit, now the curry rice, you have omelette rice, you have a rice bowl. This is our Wok Grill. Grill, what do they have? Let me see. Okay, yeah, they got fried rice. Yeah, fried rice, noodle, kangkong fried rice, fried chili chicken with rice. It's 15.90. Okay. This section already open. Before that wasn't open. This part here, on this side. On the first day it wasn't open, so this part already open. Let's go from here first. This was all empty last time. No table also on the first day. Okay. And this signboard also wasn't here on the first day. Food exchange. There's a nice mural up there. This one is Beverages, was already open on the first day. Beverages. Okay. Nasi Padang, I think they open. This is Nasi Padang. I think they open maybe a few days after the launching. Nasi Padang. And this Hainan Chicken also wasn't open the first day, so they are so kind of new then. Hainan Chicken. So you have a ginger sauce chicken, 10 ringgit. Oh, that's a la carte. Try hor fun soup, like plain Ipoh hor fun is 650. Ipoh hor fun with chicken slice is 1150. Right? Okay. Okay, let's go to the other side. So this is a cheese bake. Oh, have like a cheese bake. Okay, cheese bake rice, spaghetti. I have Hainanese chicken chop, which is 19 ringgit. Missing noodle, 13 ringgit. Okay. Oh, you got, this is mixed rice. Okay, this mixed rice. We have a nasi campur set, 9 ringgit. Fried rice set. These are the nasi campur. These are the dishes lah. Fried rice, mee siam set. Okay. This one is a Korean fried chicken. Yes, they have a set also, bento set. Like this is 1990. Korean Dosirak set. Okay. 12 ringgit for 7 or 8 pieces. Yeah. Okay, it's Korean fried chicken. So this one is called Korean Dosirak. So this part is already open. Okay, the design is not bad already. They have a lot of mural. When I first came here, it was very monotonous. Okay, very monotonous. So it's like totally, you know, you thought it's like a school canteen or hospital cafeteria. So right now you can see it's very nicely designed already. There are murals on the wall. You have these umbrella lights, right? Umbrella lights. Alright, there's a mural here of people eating traditional food, roti canai, right? It's quite nice, not bad. Okay guys, thanks for watching. I hope like maybe next time when you come to TRX, you can come to this food court already. Honestly, on the first day, I think a lot of them were not ready to open. So right now, I think it's not bad. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye bye.